Hi, my name is Christopher Ramirez. I am a recent graduate of Austin Coding Academy. When I think of my story, why I wanted to be a software developer, I have to take you back 21 years ago to this fifth grader. It was the month of May, career day. My teacher brought in her son in law, who had worked on the original Halo. If you know anything about that, the hype train 21 years ago when that game came out, you know. He showed us the character development he worked on, the weapon development, the map development, and I was a boy who had just lost his mind. I was so excited about this. You know, for the next 21 years after, I had always wanted to be involved with tech in some form or fashion. I tinkered with tech here and there growing up, um, but I did not know this route was available for someone like me. I didn't even know it was available in general. But when I found Austin Coding Academy back in October, I knew that I had to give this a shot. When trying to decide what I want to do for a capstone, I knew that I wanted to do something that wasn't just a one-off, something that I would want to continue to want to develop, continue to work on for not just the time being for something to turn into something that I would continue to use for months and years to come. So I found something I'm passionate about. One of those things that I'm passionate about is young men, specifically now that I am a husband and a father. It's really geared more towards husbands and fathers. Um, so that's what my app is for. My app is an app that is used to encourage, to build up and edify young fathers just in their daily walk and their daily lives. Um, if you know anything about the course of mental health over the course of the last 10 years, you've seen more and more men come out of the woodworks, whether it be professional sports or just men and just regular old Joes, come out and talk about the things that they struggle with and the things that you didn't see previous fathers in years past really just bring to light those things that they deal with. And so I wanted to be able to have a platform where men couldn't just come and receive information, but they could find a way to connect to other men. And so, thus, I've created Fatherhood. It's a working name at the moment, but it's something that I felt just spoke directly to the individuals that I really wanted to speak to. So, here we have a sign in page. Let's go to sign up. Here, we're going to name this person. Let's name him Ron, Ron. And it's going to be ron@gmail.com. And it'll be test123 will be our password. We're going to go submit here. We'll do ron@gmail.com, and test123 will be our password. So submit here. The very first page that you will see will be a quotes page. This quotes page um, will be something that I'd like to send out in the future, through text, through notification to your phone. That's just a daily word of encouragement to fathers. The quotes that I'm using are all quotes that are geared towards leadership, that are geared towards men and fathers specifically. And so it's something that I would like for fathers to be able to have in their hands on a daily basis. It's something everyone uses a phone these days. So when they check their phone, it's something that they see as a daily encouragement, just really just to um, keep going, continue to live life. And so, yeah, that's that. So whenever we enter here, the very first large bold text here is fatherhood. When we click on this, you will see articles here that are filled with information that all pop out into their own separate tab. And all of these are articles that are geared towards information of encouragement towards fathers, why they are important to the family dynamic, and just really to remind fathers of their importance and their relevance inside the home, inside their own homes. Over here, we have a role of a father tab. This role of a father tab here is just a statement, really, of the heart of a father, of my general statement of something that I put in here of role of a father. We have this down here that just a few key aspects that define the role of a father. We move down here. We have this bit of a footer tab here that I really like. Over here in the subscribe to newsletter. Subscribe to newsletter. The plan here is that I would like to send out an email once a week to individuals that do sign up and subscribe to the newsletter. Uh, the purpose is every week about 10 new articles would be updated weekly, and men fathers would be able to come in and see more information, read more up on, you know, information of the role of a father and the importance of it. And also just to give them something to read as well. Over here is probably what I believe is one of the most important pages, and I have this connect page here. This connect page I would like to, at some point in time, be something that's not just local for Lubbock, but also in other major cities as well. Um, that, as you can see, I have events here that are already set in place. These are real events here in Lubbock, where men do come together and play things like Ultimate Frisbee. They have barbecue Fridays. They have this Sunday walkabout at the park, and this Bible study at the hub. These are locations where men can just go and join and be a part of other men and connect and congregate, and really just have a place to be men. And so, I have these here as outlets for men to find other men, to really just connect together, um, to have other men that know exactly what they deal with, and to remind them, hey, you're not the only one that deals with these things. You're not the only one that's dealing with something, um, and really just connect. That's what it's about. Community connection, vulnerability. So yeah, that's my app. Fatherhood. Thank you.